The calibration feature optimizes the system's copy and print output to the specific media type being used. Before you begin, place paper in the uppermost drawer in which letter LT or A4 paper is loaded. To recalibrate the color settings of the system, perform the following steps. Press the Next button to go to the next screen on the home screen. Press the Image Recovery button. Press the Calibration button. When prompted, start calibration process. Press Yes. The system will print 3 calibration test charts. When prompted, set test chart A on the glass as directed on screen and press the Start button. When prompted, set test chart B on the glass as directed on screen and press the Start button. When prompted, set test chart C on the glass as directed on screen and press the Start button. Note, when the calibration process is complete, the system will return to the Image Recover screen.